DRM racing tonight at Spa-Francorchamps. Coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello everybody, are you ready for another exciting week of racing down here at Monster Hobbies? Well, we're going to get ready with our DTM cars tonight as we tear up the track at Spa-Francorchamps. And this is one of those great big jockey type tracks that you can see how to build if you come over to our Patreon account. I am going to personally show you how to build this monster right in your own home, well, through our videos. But you have to come to Patreon to unlock that video. And now, without further ado, let's go down to the races. But before we do, always remember to like, subscribe, and share this channel with all your friends and family, and click that notification bell so that every time we do another slot car video, you get right in the driver's seat. So without further ado, let's go down to the races! Okay, so here we go. Down at Spa. Then we got Eric driving hard because it's hard to drive those Porsches. Oh. So we got Eric, Howard, Kevin, and Glenn racing, and everybody wiping out. Yeah. Are you looking for great cars and track? See what we have at www.monster-hobbies.ca. Link below. Whoa. Well, put me back going in the same lap or what? Little roof riding. And this time around we don't have all the cameras. Dale's not here. So what's the lap, sir?
3, 4, 26 left.
Okay. We got 1:40 on the clock. Oh.
Oh, this is Kevin. Oh!
Oh! Finally, in the right spot with the camera at the right time. Although nothing beats my barrel roll reslot.
Oh, that was
Nice roll. Oh. Oh. There we go.
Oh, you're green?
Yeah. So we got 5, that would be Kevin, 6, Howard, 4, and then 3 is Eric. Here we are once again back at our board where I got 26 points, Glenn got 25, Daryl was not available, Mark got 36 points, Kevin got 48, Howard got 38, Josh came out as the top racer with 54, Eric got 19, and Dale slipped back into retirement. So how did that affect the standings? Well, now I'm in 6th place with 105, Glenn is in 4th with 113, Daryl is in 7th with 57, Mark is in 3rd with 130, Kevin is in 1st place with 216, and Howard and Josh are tied with 188 points for 2nd place, followed by Eric in 8th place with 55, and Dale slipped to 5th with 108. Dale, you need to come back out of retirement. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed that race, and tune in next week when we will take our cars down to the Norris Ring in Germany. And as always, remember to like, subscribe, and share these videos. And keep in mind to click on that notification bell down below so that you will be the first person to know when we go back and race Norris Ring. Won't that be great? And until next time, slot car fans, always remember to keep your car down on the track and watch those tight corners because you don't want to fall out.